In cardiology, today we're going to talk about something called heart failure with preserved ejection fraction. Now, as I said, doctors love acronyms, so they call it HFpEF. What is that? Well, the heart pumps normally, preserved ejection fraction, but it can't relax. It can't relax quickly enough. And so fluid can back up into your lungs and cause heart failure. And 50% of all people with heart failure have it. Now, here's the problem. There are no drugs out there that are approved to treat heart failure. There are two drugs that have been tried. One, Entresto. That costs $7,000 a year. And the primary endpoint of Entresto versus placebo showed no benefit. But hold on. And there's another drug, spironolactone. This trial in 2014, years before Entresto, showed that in people who were given the drug in the United States or Europe other than Georgia and Russia, this really provided benefit. And when they looked back at Georgia and Russia, they found these drugs on the street being sold. Nobody in the Georgia or Russia trials had adverse effects. And they kind of assumed, and probably were correct, that the people in the Georgia and Russia trials, they probably didn't even get any drugs. But when they looked at the United States and North America, guess what? This drug worked. The cost of this drug is $50 a year. The cost of this drug, $7,000 a year. But, big pharma, what do? They look at the combined endpoint. They give a lot of endpoints to see if there's any benefit. There was none. But wait. Then they look at subgroup analysis and post hoc analysis. Fancy words for after the fact. And they see that there may be some benefit. So, this drug, tried in the TopCat trial, again, another acronym, treatment of preserved cardiac function with an aldosterone antagonist, which showed probable benefit, not recommended by the FDA. This drug, $7,000, not $50 a year, but $7,000, is now actually being considered for approval for HFpEF. This didn't work, but this is $7,000, big drug company, the other one's generic. That tells you a lot about our system in the United States. Thanks for tuning in to 2-Minute Cardiology. If you have any other questions, please email me at drevanlevine@gmail.com. Have a great day.